Good evening, and it's an evening night walk through Aura Gardens here in Tilal al Ghaf. So there's a lot of you that are looking to purchase a property here in Tilal, whether it's in the townhouses or the villas, or even in Dubai. And really, I just want to show you the power of the night and the light. It's just absolutely beautiful. The temperature's perfect. I'm doing my power walk, and just look at it. I'm going to turn around the camera so you can just get a feel of how Tilal al Ghaf looks by night. Just really beautiful. It's so calm. All the landscaping really comes out at night, and you know, this is a community that's not even fully handed over, and yet, you know, the streets are lined with trees. It's just really nice. So right now we're walking past, these are twin villas on my left, and on my right you've actually got townhouses. And this is actually more of a main bit internally. This is more of a main road through. But once I walk you through to the little side streets, it's lovely and calm. And I really just want to get to one now to show you that you literally can be lost and you feel like you're in the woods. So let's just check this out. 1 second. So you can see some people have moved in, some people have not moved in yet. So that's why the lights are not on. You know, some of these properties are for rent, some are for sale, some are doing their own renovations, like this one, the pile of soil. And then, you know, people are all doing different things with their landscaping, with their gardens. But let me just show you down here, because it's absolutely gorgeous. This is the gardens, the swimming pool and the gym, which is really special. So, and you can use this at night. So you imagine the gym and the swimming pool are all open at night. But look how beautiful it is. A lot of these houses haven't been handed over down there. So I've just walked. And over there are alayas. So those are the villas, the mansions that start from about 13 million dirham if you're lucky. Those won't be handed over till, I would say, end of the summer, probably August, September. But look at this. So this is the Aura Gardens. This is one of the parks. So just check out, isn't this beautiful? This is why we choose to live somewhere like this, because you're away from the busy, hectic streets. You can bring the kids. This is like a special, that's like a bouncy little area there. So you've got this gorgeous play park here. And you've got the gym. So there's gyms dotted throughout Tilal al Ghaf communities. So this is the Aura Gardens gym. There's another one at the beginning of Aura Gardens. There's one in Aura 1, one in Aura 2. So there you have it. There's the gym. But what I wanted to show you is the swimming pool, because it looks so nice at night. There's like a park area. That's the other exit entrance, and that goes towards the Laya. And look up here, isn't this lovely? So that is your swimming pool here. So here you have it. This is experiencing Aura by night, and really what the whole of Tilal al Ghaf looks like. So if you're interested in more details about properties here for purchase, let me know. My details are below in the description. Do subscribe to this channel, because I'm always adding new videos, not just of Tilal al Ghaf. I sell townhouses and villas all over the city and in Abu Dhabi and Ras Al Khaimah. So if you are interested in buying something that you can move to in a year or two, that you can rent out, you can double your money, and I don't say double your money lightly, I say it out of personal experience, then get in touch. I'd love to help you. I've been selling real estate here for 13 years. I'm not fresh off the boat, and I know exactly where you need to be looking and where you need to avoid to make sure that your money works for you. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.